Is it okay if I sit here?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry, I can move if you want. It's just the cab was really full.
It's okay.
So, are you going to homecoming?
I don't think so.
Why not? You don't need a date to go to homecoming. We can go together. I'm new here anyway.
Yeah, I don't know.
It'll be fun. I can come over around 5 and we can get ready together.
Maybe. I'll ask my mom.
Okay. And done. How do you think it looks?
I like it.
Hey Shalise, have you seen my curling iron? Because your hair looks pretty colored to me.
Yeah, I was using it. Sorry.
Well, thanks. Next time, just ask. Oh, come on. It'll be fun. Hey, do you mind if I get a picture of you for the yearbook?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Just stand over there. Do you want to see who it came out?